Oh, what up, fam? It's your boy G Money back at it again with another video on the G35. So, like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe right down below this video and put that thumbs up if you liked it. And like always, if you don't like my video, then put that thumbs down. But hopefully you do subscribe to the channel. That way you can click on that notification bell so you can get a notification to when I upload a video on the channel. So, please subscribe. But anyways, so I thought I'd do a little video. The other day I saw a G35 with the JDM style tail lights, and made me want to think and want to get that look. So I was thinking about it and I was wondering how to do it. I didn't see any videos on how to do that, but once I got it done, yeah, I thought I'd share it with y'all. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to get the JDM style look rather than spending over $100 and getting the whole tail light. I'm going to show you what bulb to get and how to do it, so that way you don't have to spend that much money. So, been talking too much, so let's get this video started. So, as you can see right here is a stock look that you get when you have your turn signal on the G35. So, I mean, if you want to stay with this look, then just go ahead and stop the video right here and just don't even finish it, because you want to stay with this old look. But if you want this look right here, well, then continue watching the video and I'll show you how to get this look, so that way your car will look a little bit different and it'll look more up to date than the other G35s. They'll have a better look to it. So right there's your comparison. That's your old style and this is your new style. So let's get to work. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do first is boom, pop the trunk. So once you pop that trunk, you'll have this accessible. So what you're gonna need for this is, of course, your bulb. And the bulb for my G35, since it's a 05, is 7440. I don't know what bulb you'll need for whatever year you got. You can Google it. But also, if you look on the tail light, wherever the bulb goes, right by the socket, it'll tell you what kind of bulb you'll need. So for mine, it's a 7440. But the main thing is what type of bulb you'll need as far as color. I made the mistake of getting like the crystal white one, thinking that's what gives it that JDM look. But unfortunately, it wasn't. So I found out that it's the amber. So whatever bulb you're getting, depending on what G you have, whatever year, just make sure you get an amber. So of course you're going to need your bulb, your amber bulb, and you're going to need a 5/16 socket. That way you can remove the nuts to undo the tail light. So what you're going to need right here, just pick up this piece right here. Pick up this piece right here, and that'll release that. And it's just some clips right there that go, and that's what holds that. And then you'll bring this down. Once you bring that down, you got a nut right there. You got a nut right here. Sorry, it's a little dark. I wanted to do this when the sun goes down, that way you can see the lights at night. And then there's another one back there. So it's just 3 nuts you got to remove with your socket. And once you do that, your tail light will come undone. So I'm going to do that right now, and we're going to change the bulb out. Alright, sorry about that. Right there, so I got the nuts released, and it takes off the tail light. So right here is where your turn signal is. So you're just going to turn it to the right, and your bulb just pops right out. Boom. And this is the bulb I'm going to be replacing with. Right here, I don't know if you can see because it's kind of dark, but right here it says what type of bulb you'll need. But yeah, like I said, if you can't figure out what bulb you need, just Google it or go to AutoZone or wherever you get the bulb at, and they should help you out. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it back in here, and we're gonna turn it on and see how it turns out. Alright, so there you go. There's our amber look right there. So you just put it back in the same spot that you had it. Then you lock it up like that. And you just match up all the holes. I tried to do it with one hand, but I'll get it. There we go. Boom. And there you go. So I'm going to put all the nuts back on, tighten it all up, and we're going to see what it looks like when I have the trunk closed. Alright, and there you have it. Your JDM style tail lights, and you saved you know, a pretty penny, you know, rather than spending, I don't know how much it is. I know it's over $100 for the whole JDM tail light, but when all you need is just the bulb. Now it depends on what bulb you get. The ones I got, they were like $12 a piece, but I know they sell some smaller bulbs than that. But all in all, you're not spending over $100, so I say it's a real bang for your buck, and it makes the G look more up to date and sporty. So if you want this look, then hopefully this video helped you out, and I know for sure you'll be turning heads, because I hardly ever see G35s with JDM tail lights. That's what caught my eye. But anyways, enough about me. Yeah, hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, then put that thumbs up, and like always, it's your boy G Money. I'll see you on the next one, and you know, subscribe to the channel. Peace.